Oh, hello there. This is Shannon Bowdey with SLO Happy Homes, and I'm at our amazing 5-acre horse ranch in Nipomo at 1790 Illinois Way, and I want to show you some special features this property has. Just take a look at this gourmet Epicurean kitchen with all this amazing counter space. Check out that stove in the hood. Can you imagine having wonderful parties here with your friends and family? The main house is almost 5,000 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms that include this stunning jetted spa that you can relax in, enjoy the gorgeous views. Back here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, double-wide manufactured home on the property that brings in additional income. Enjoy outdoor gatherings in this perfect weather that Nipomo has with its outdoor kitchen and covered area. Got chickens? Well, we got the space for them. There's also a 4-car workshop for all your hobby needs. If horses are your passion, this is the property for you. There are 10 horse stalls, there's an arena, there's a hay barn, all the space you need for your horses and maybe for horse boarding too. There are also additional renters on this property, including a local nursery that rents space. There's even a fun little western town. So grab your boots, head on down to 1790 Illinois Way. We'll be happy to show you this extraordinary property. It has 5 acres of land. There is an almost 5,000 square foot main house. It's 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. There's a secondary house that's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. There's a western town. There's horse facilities. There's income to make off this property. There's a workshop. Oh wait, it's got a full solar system that powers the entire 5 acres. It's on a great well. There's extraordinary views. This property is what you've been looking for. Come here Saturday and Sunday. We have the times in the post and we hope to see you here. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdey with SLO Happy Homes. You have a SLO Happy day.